Guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I want to go over my journey as a 16-year-old entrepreneur, how my journey has been and how you guys can actually make money in 2024. Now at the end of this video I want to go over the best business models for you guys to start who haven't really got much money and want to just make some easy money online, because right now I'm chilling, I'm on holiday and I'm still making money because I have this and because I have a MacBook, because that is all you need when it comes to online business, when it comes to providing a service. All you need is an internet connection and not even a MacBook, just a phone. That's all you need. So let's go over my journey. I'll make this quick and then I'll get to what business models you guys should start in 2024, because there's a few that you guys need to pick out from and you need to choose what is best for you. So let's get on to my journey. So my journey started in early 2023 as an entrepreneur. Now this is when Prime was super hot on the market. Everyone wanted Prime. Prime was going for thousands. I don't know why. And it was a simple supply and demand. I had the supply, the demand was there. So I sold it to corner shops, made a few £100. Then went on to AirPods. Then obviously you guys can see I sold about 9 AirPods, made £430. Then I went all in, I purchased a bunch of AirPods, made, as you guys can see, 5k in a month in December. 1.2k was meant to get paid out to me, 500 in December, 700 in the next day, and nearly 800 the next day. Then I made a video about it. That video popped off over 12,000 views, and people really wanted to know how I did this because no one else was really making this amount of money from AirPods and not getting taken down. So then I started giving people just a Google Doc, a list of what I did, the suppliers, my tips, blah, blah, blah. Just gave everything, helped over 56 people, and this was one of my happiest clients or people that messaged me. Made over 2.6k, as you guys can see, with only 40 items sold. Then I went on to TikTok. As you guys can see, in the first week of this channel or this account, nearly 1 million views, which resulted in nearly £400. Then it went up to 500. Then now that account is sitting at just under £800 in revenue, and yeah, I don't really upload in that account anymore. As you guys can see, it's a bit dead. Then I made this one here in April, I believe. Made a quick £100 in it. Then I dipped because the RPM just fell, and then I started trading. So I put in £300 and then I made £52 the first day. I was like, okay, this is good. This is pretty sweet. I'm just clicking a few buttons. It feels pretty easy. So then I got a trading bot, which is even easier. Now this trading bot literally trades my money for me overnight, throughout the day, throughout the week. Doesn't matter if I'm sleeping, on the phone, doing whatever I'm doing, this bot is trading, this bot is making money, simple as that. So then I started helping others and I started showing people this bot and the capabilities of AI. And as you guys can see here, this guy made £53 on his first day. He's loving the bot. This guy, £34 in his sleep, and this guy is printing. Now, there's a lot more testimonials. I'm not going to go through every single one of the bot, but this is just free, just to show you guys that it does actually work. Client super happy with the results, and €241 for a bot, and this is what I offer to my community, etc. Now, my Telegram is sitting at just under 300 subscribers or members, so we are moving pretty well. The community is going really well. Let me just mute my phone. And yeah, this is currently my journey. There's a lot of things, a lot of other businesses that were just not mentioned in this because I want to just do this quick. I want to make it interesting. And yeah, as I said, we're sitting just under 300 members, 1.6k subs on YouTube. And yeah, so now that's all done, I want to go over the best ways to actually make money in 2024. Now, you guys might have seen AirPods in this one. You guys might have seen trading. Now, the TikTok is where most people will not look at it because I don't know why, but people just ignore TikTok and the power of TikTok. You guys can have zero money. You guys can be on flat zero. You can be flat broke and you can make infinite amount on TikTok. If you can get views, if you can simply just get views, you haven't got to be Andrew Tate and sell a course and this and that. All you have to do is get views. It can be on any niche. You haven't even got to show your face and you can make money off this. All you need is a phone and you can make money through TikTok. And that is what I recommend you guys do because it takes no investment. It's easy to do. You learn marketing, you learn skills, and it's super satisfying. And it's super easy to get paid out. You get paid out literally within 1 or 2 days. Get loads of views. Once you have 10 accounts, once you're making all this money, then you can go to people, you can go to streamers, whatever it is, businesses, local businesses, say, look, this is the amount of views I managed to get, hire me. They will pay you. They will pay you thousands because they have proof that you know how to get views. Everyone wants views nowadays. That is what people need. Attention. Attention on a business is money. Attention on a course is sales. Attention on a product is sales. That is how it works. And that is what you guys will be good at if you can create those TikToks and if you can just bang them out and if you can just push through them. Because as I said, all you need is a phone. You don't need a MacBook. You don't need a super fast computer. You just need a phone and some dedication. So TikTok is the first business model I'd recommend. The next one is going to be AI trading. For those of you that have £150, £200 spare that you don't care about, I would recommend putting that into a trading bot and letting that just print and just compound every single day, day after day, week after week. Let it compound, keep putting more in. Just let it compound. It's like a bank account, it's like a savings account. Let it compound. The third business model I'd recommend is drop servicing. Now, you guys have definitely heard of drop shipping. Drop shipping is where you take a product from China and you sell it to someone who would pay double, but they obviously don't know it's from China, or they might know, but they're still going to pay the price. That is drop shipping. Drop servicing is the exact same, except it's with a service. For example, thumbnails. I've used this example countless times. Some guy wants thumbnail. You know a guy who knows how to make really good thumbnails. You take the thumbnail guy, he makes thumbnail. You send it to the guy who wants the thumbnail. That is it. You're just a middleman, and you get to keep your commission. And that is how, obviously not for £241, but I do this on the side because it's a super easy thing, and I just have a few thumbnail editors that make a few thumbnails. I just send them out to clients, and that is it. All you have to do is reach out to people. Just provide a service, then people will pay for it. It hasn't got to be thumbnails. It can be copywriting. It could be absolutely anything, because there's 8 billion people on this planet, and there is one person who will finally agree to pay you for a service. Startup costs of drop shipping, but with drop servicing, all you need is social media, and that is it, just to message people. TikTok, you don't even need a social media yourself. You can run it completely faceless, which is the insane part. So, guys, I know this video may seem a bit rushed. I'm very, very busy at the moment, but I will be making a more detailed video later down the line. Let me know if you like this form of videos, obviously with the little camera here. And yeah, that pretty much wraps up the video. So please be sure to join my free Telegram if you guys want to get onto the bot and you want to get set up. Obviously, I have the connections, I have the bot, I can get you guys set up. Please be sure to message me. My Telegram's here. Even if you don't want to get on the bot, please join anyway. There's a bunch of value I post in there, a bunch of cool stuff, a bunch of behind the scenes stuff that you guys might find interesting. So hope you guys did enjoy this video. Please be sure to drop a like, drop a sub, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Peace out.